Most healthy cat breeds 2022. These are 10 cute breeds of cat reported to live the longest. These are 10 of the most gorgeous cat breeds thought to have the longest lives. Cats are one of the most independent creatures around, but also some of the most friendly and loving, despite that independent nature. It is reported that the average cat owner actually owns a minimum of 2 cats, though we are sure you may know some with many more. All cats are beautiful. If you are looking for a cat that is most likely to be with you for the longest time possible, then these 10 breeds of cat may well be worth adopting. While cat breeds do share similar traits, we advise each cat does have their own personality and individual needs, including medical, which is of primary importance when taking a cat into your home. Please be aware of this if adopting a cat. Number 1. Egyptian Moe. With its beautiful spotted fur coat, it's easy to see why the Egyptian Moe is so popular. They are a people-friendly breed and can live for as long as 12 to 15 years.
Number 2. Bombay. With a look like a miniature panther, it's easy to see why Bombay cats hold such popularity. These muscular cats can live anywhere between 12 to 16 years on average.
Number 3. Savannah. The Savannah breed can live between 12 and 20 years, incredible for a cat. These cats are recommended only for experienced cat owners, as they are part serval and part domestic. Number 4. Burmese. An average lifespan for a Burmese cat is between 16 to 18 years. These cats are energetic, often playful, and make for great household companions. Number 5. American Shorthair. Easygoing, energetic, and playful, the American Shorthair is a breed seen in many households across the globe. A mostly health breed, they can live for as long as 15 to 20 years. Number 6. Siamese. Despite being prone to respiratory issues, the Siamese breed of cats can live anywhere between 10 to 12 years on average. Number 7. Ragdoll. In general, the Ragdoll breed is said to be healthy, though they can suffer from issues with their bladder and kidney stones. Despite this, the Ragdoll can often outlive many other breeds, with a lifespan of 15 years on average. Number 8. Balinese. Talkative, energetic, and loving, the Balinese cat is another cat that lives longer than most on average, living between 12 to 20 years in some cases. Number 9. Sphynx. Due to their hairless appearance, a Sphynx can be high maintenance. However, it doesn't stop them from living long life, with this breed still average a 10-year lifespan despite being prone to heart disease. Number 10. Russian Blue. Friendly, but reserved, the Russian Blue breed of cat is as adorable as they come. They are prone to bladder and eye issues, however. This doesn't stop their lifespan average being between 15 to 20 years. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos.